Today, I'm going to show you how to integrate a payment gateway in Wix, step by step, in a simple and relaxing way. First, go to your Wix website and open the editor. On the left-hand side, click Add Apps. In the search bar, type PayPal button and press Enter. From the results, click on the PayPal button app. Next, click Add to Site. The PayPal button will appear on your page. Double-click the button to open its settings. Here, enter your PayPal email address so payments can be processed directly to your account. You can also adjust the button's size, style, and placement to fit your website's design. Once everything looks good, make sure to save your work. And there you have it. Your Wix website is now ready to accept payments through PayPal. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.